How's it going, everyone? So today I want to talk about the best upper body workout at home. So before I get started, please subscribe to my channel if you guys haven't already. I do appreciate the support. It helps my channel grow. Also, if you're interested in online personal training from me, my email is in the description box. Send me a quick email and we can talk more details, you guys. My prices are very reasonable, and for a lot of my clients, what I have done is that if they can't afford my rates, I'll deduct a little bit and sometimes a lot, and I'll help them out because, again, my channel is about helping people out. There's some people that they could only afford $5 or $10, and that's what I train them for is $5 or $10. And if that's all they can afford for their weightlifting, then that's perfectly fine, you guys. I know some people, they can afford $100, but my rates are reasonable, and I do try to help as many people as I can. I have a lot of clients, and I'm still taking in more. So if you guys are interested, just send me a quick email. We can talk more details. So the best upper body workout, now we can talk about with dumbbells or without dumbbells. It doesn't matter. With dumbbells, I would say flat dumbbell bench, chest flies, standing shoulder press, bicep curls, and shrugs. And and dumbbell squats. That's what I would do. I would even do stiff-legged deadlifts with the dumbbells. That hits your whole entire body. You're gonna get a crazy pump. If you're doing without dumbbells, then I would do push-ups, normal push-ups, a wide grip push-up variation. I would then do some reverse snow angels. I would then do body weight squats. I would do body weight stiff-legged deadlifts, and yeah, I would just do those exercises. We're talking about best upper body. I've added in squats, I've added in legs, I've screwed this program up. Just remove the legs if you want to. In my opinion, it's good to hit your whole body. So even if you're thinking upper body, add in the lower body too, just to hit it as well. Doing a couple of squats won't hurt you. But again, upper body, flat dumbbell bench, chest fly, standing shoulder press, bicep curls, shrugs. With dumbbells, without dumbbells, again, it's going to be a push-up, then a wide grip push-up variation, then some reverse snow angels. You can do some pike push-ups, whole different type of exercises that you can do. End the video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Please like the video and share it. Thanks again.